Nowadays, it's really hard to find a job, but if you look at the right places, perhaps it won't be so hard to make money, especially online. There are a lot of ways to make some easy, low-effort income online just by doing a few tasks every now and then. The more tasks you do, the more money you can make. Sounds easy enough, right? No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method and you don't even need to pay for anything in order to start. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will be able to earn some money online with very little effort. Just try it, it's free. Are you spending a little too much time on your gadgets? Perhaps mindlessly scrolling with no end in sight, trying to entertain yourself, or perhaps you're trying to find a way to make money online but you're having some difficulty finding a legitimate website that will generate you cash. Well, what if you can spend all that mindless time making money instead? I'm here to help you out with that. So what we will be venturing into today is a little website called Addiclex.net. Their motto literally says, earn extra cash from your online activities. So as you can see, the tasks are all simple things that you can do without even having to spend so much effort, and you can make money doing it. There are a variety of tasks that you can do on this website so that you can earn money. They have high-paying surveys, complete offers, refers it to others, join contests, paid to promote activities or PTP, and various other tasks. But what we will be focusing on today may perhaps be the easiest task of them all, visiting websites. You can earn a lot of cash just by clicking ads on the website that will be referred to you. Still not convinced that it's that easy? Well, look further down the website and you'll be able to see the analytics of the page, the total members of people earning money on the site, total ads visualization, total offers completed, and the total amount they've paid. They're very transparent with how the website works and just how you can get paid. They even have a page dedicated to a proof of payment section where you will be able to see the people getting paid, their username, what country they're from, what method of payment they've chosen, how much money they've been given, and how much they've earned from using the site in general. There's no hassle in payment and you can choose whichever method you prefer, whether it's PayPal, Payer, Skrill, and others written here on their dashboard. Comment down below which payment method you prefer the most. No matter where you are in the world, you can easily do these tasks. If you look through their website, you can see just all the information you need to know about what you need to do and how you'll be able to do it. So why don't we start with the very step that we need to do in order to start earning money from this website? Go to the upper right-hand corner of the page and click on the register button. Don't worry, the sign-up process is completely free and you don't have to pay anything first in order to get started. No hidden fees or attached strings. Just low-effort tasks that you have to do once you've signed up. Once we're on the sign-up page, you'll have to fill in the form and answer the needed information. Write your full name, create a username, input your email address twice, and create a unique password. Then, you will be inputting your birth year and the city that you were born in. After that, you will be doing the reCAPTCHA part. Just click on I'm not a robot. And then click agree on the terms of service. If you want, you can even click the attached link where you will see the Addiclex rules so that you'll have a better understanding of how the website works. Then, just click the register button, and just as easy as that, you can now start making money on Addiclex.net. Now, how do we start? Well, by clicking ads, of course. Because of the fact that you will make money on this website just by interacting with advertisements, make sure that you don't have any kind of ad blocker turned on. On the website, you will see a lot of ads popping up every now and then. The ones on the top of your screen are called banner ads, and all you need to do is click on them. You don't need to do anything special just so you can earn money. No skills or hard work is needed. Just click on it and wait for a few seconds up to a half a minute. You don't even need to click anything on the website or interact with it. Just simply click and wait. But to make sure that Addiclex will know that you're not just idle with the ads, make sure to scroll up and down on the website while waiting for the half a minute mark, so you can make sure that you'll be able to earn money. Because if you don't scroll up and down, you might not get credited for the tasks that you do. You can click as many banner ads as you want, non-stop all day, every day, just so you could earn money. Totally easy, right? The more you click, the more you earn. Simple as that. If you look around the screen, you'll see more ads that you can click on. So again, click the ad, scroll up and down, and wait for a few seconds. So lastly, just continue clicking ads, and the more you do, the more you can earn money. It doesn't take a lot of time of your day, and the earning potentials gets higher the more you do it. It's very easy and doesn't require a lot of effort just to earn money. Try it! That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I am able to help you find a way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.